Welcome to PFTV Kusere Pagania uyibona kanjani game namhlanje?
Igame namhlanje ibonakalise ama-champions ukuthi noma ungawalahlela phansi ayabuya. Into engingayisho nje kuma-fans wethu masithi siphenta i-Orlando Black, let's do it like that. Yeah, sikabona mthuthi bangabi against thina kusileague le besidlalela i-Africa mara baba against thina. Kodwa kusalayo ke lo buhlungu esibuthola namhlanje hayi biyowela kwabanye abantu. Mark my words, kuyophela amaviki lawo kuyoba umhlolo. Yeah, into soyiyenza nje solimaza abaningi ngale pain. Ingakapheli hayi futhi bakwamagesi wona. Yakhumbula senzeni last time. Asiwakhohlwanga. Siyabafikisa bayashaya, mina sibakhiphe manje.
Who was the man of the match?
Man of the match yami lana ngingabeka no police. Yeah, nomrembe ngizabeka yena manje nangu khawathekile ngale dlapha leli eliziwisayo maliqeda lithi lishawula umfana lo. Into engakazi yenzeka bona laba bedangazi babona kanjani. And asitane committee ebaphanishana abazinto wrong. Ku wrong kabi. Mara kithi mabhakaniya asiqineni bafowethu. Siyeni phambili wherever la ibhakaniya liya khona silapho once and always. Mabhakaniya.
Pagania bopha.
Once upon